Good afternoon, I'm Raine Musñgi. This is Newsfeed. Local stocks fall for the second straight day on last-minute profit-taking. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index lost about 37 points, or 0.5%, to finish at the session's low end of 7,400. Share prices were in positive territory throughout the day before wiping out gains at the closing bell. Value turnover eased to 5.9 billion pesos, while decliners topped advancers 102 to 92. The financials counter was the only sub-index in the green, led by gains in BPI and BDO. Ayala Land, the most actively traded stock, gave up more than 2%. The Philippines moves up in a global ranking measuring economic freedom. Out of 165 nations, the country placed 59th in the list of the Canada-based think tank Fraser Institute. That's up from 68th last year and is the Philippines' highest standing since ranking 57th in 2016. Hong Kong, Singapore, and Switzerland top the rankings, while Sudan, Zimbabwe, and Venezuela are at the bottom of the list. Economic freedom refers to how much a country's policies and institutions permit people to make their own economic choices. The back-to-back rate cuts by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas has put the Philippines' property sector on a renewed growth cycle. On BNC's basis points, DM Wenceslao President Delfin Angelo Wenceslao explained the BSP move will help the retail sector with increased consumer spending, spur residential demand with lower mortgage rates, and drive down construction costs for developers. And as remote work weighs on office demand, Wenceslao said this will only push developers to adapt and build more experiential spaces for consumers.
Office people, decided that they don't just want to cram into these air-conditioned boxes. So developers are now putting up, I think, more spaces which enhance collaboration, interaction, and community building.
Collections from the Philippine Central Bank's coin deposit machines hitting the billion peso mark. The BSP says since its launch in June last year, over 260 million pieces of coins have been deposited in the machines, equivalent to about 240,000 transactions. The BSP's project allows customers to conveniently deposit their coins to be credited to their e-wallet accounts or converted into vouchers. The coin deposit machines support the BSP's program of putting idle coins back in circulation. The third quarter earnings season is officially underway, with two big banks reporting record results. Ayala-led Bank of the Philippine Islands saw its net income rise by a fourth to 48 billion pesos as of September on strong revenue growth and positive operating leverage. Third quarter profit climbed 0.3% to 17.4 billion pesos, the highest quarterly income to date. Meanwhile, higher revenues and lower loan loss provisions also pushed earnings of billionaire Jacinto Nang's Asia United Bank to an all-time high of 8.6 billion pesos as of September. This already exceeds the bank's full-year net income of 8.3 billion pesos in 2023. And before we go, here are today's market winners and losers. And those are the news this hour. I'm Raine Musñgi. Stay tuned to BNC on Free TV Channel 31, Channel 24 on Cignal, and on our website, bnc.ph. Thank you so much for watching.